Hey guys, this video would like to show you some tips and tricks, as well as shortcuts, that will help you get even more like want to talk about the. If you want your phone or headphones to sound like big speakers, responses, and if you are interested in videos like this one with tips and tricks for the iPhone and other Apple products, my channel is exactly the right one for you. So feel free to subscribe now. Let's start the video with 3 options tips. Really useful shortcuts, and start with the. First, open your iPhone setting. And click on Accessibility. Scrolling down and click on Audio and Visual. Click on Headphone Accommodations and turn on the. After that, tap on Vocal Range. We have 3 options here: slightly, moderately, or strongly. Tap on Strongly. That's it, and of course I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos.